How to find trending products on Amazon. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can find trending product on Amazon for dropshipping. So in order to find trending product on Amazon for dropshipping involves a combination of research and analysis. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you identify popular and potentially profitable product. First of all, what you can do is you can start with Amazon's own first bestseller page. It's valuable research for discovering what's currently trending in the various category. For that, you need to open up a web browser, and then on the web address bar you need to type in www.amazon.com/bestseller. So basically this particular link is not available currently, so what you can do is you can just go to this link and then you can find multiple information regarding the bestseller product. So Amazon Mover and Shaker is another helpful section that shows product with a significant increase in the sale rank over the past 24 hours. It is an indicator of a product gaining popularity. You can find this section on the bestseller page itself. Apart from it, you can also use the trend, that is Google Trend. For that, you need to open up a web browser, and then on the web address bar you need to type in trends.google.com. To analyze a search trend for specific product, enter the product's keyword to see if they are currently on the rise or not. Amazon Research Tool. Consider using a research tool such as Google Scout, Helium 10, and other third-party applications. You can also explore social media platforms, exploring Instagram, Pinterest, and to see what products are trending. Influencer and users offer showcase products that are currently popular. Analyze your competitor for dropshipping. You can also analyze your competitor in dropshipping space. What product are they selling? You can check their website or stores and see product that they feature. Now utilize the keyword tool to identify high volume and low competitive keywords related to your product. Tools like Google Keyword Planners and Ubersuggest can help. Now look at the historical sale data and trend to identify product that consist or cyclically in a popularity. Remember that trends can change rapidly, so it's essential to stay updated with the last market. Now additionally, consider factors like product cost, shipping time, and your target audience preferences which select product for your dropshipping business. So that is how you can find trending products on Amazon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.